Good morning, students. In previous class we have learned how to solve simultaneous linear equation in two variable by substitution method and elimination method. Today's topic is cross multiplication method. So here are two linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So this is the standard form of simultaneous linear equation in two variable. So here the value of x is, the formula is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and value of y, the formula of y is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus b2 b1. So here this can be written as x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equals to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equals to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So how can you remember this formula? That write x, y and 1 like this. Okay, now find the term which contains the variable x in two linear equation. Okay, so as you can see, a1x and a2x, these are the two terms which contains the variable x. So remove this, remove the terms which contains the variable x. Okay, so write the coefficient of y in equation 1. The coefficient of y is b1, and in equation 2 the coefficient of y is b2. Then write the constant in first equation c1, and in second equation c2. Okay, next moving to y. So remove the term which contains the variable y, this part. Okay, so write the constant c1 and c2. As you can see, it was already written here. Now moving to the variable x. So here the coefficient of x is in first equation it is a1, and in second equation it is a2. Okay, this method should be b, c, a, then again b. Okay, b, c, a and b. As you can see, b1 b2, c1 c2 and a1 a2. Okay, so here the constant c1 c2, remove this part c1 c2. So remaining are a1 a2 and b1 b2. So write down here b1 b2. Okay, now next step is you have to multiply b1 with c2 minus b2 into c1. Okay, from the left side, top to bottom and then bottom to top. Okay, so b1 c2, as you can see here, b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Okay, now coming to y, same method. From the left side, top to bottom, it is c1 a2, then bottom to top c2 a1. Okay, so c1 a2 minus c2 a1. Okay, now moving to the constant part, 1, a1 b2, then b2 c1. Okay, so a1 b2 minus a2 b1 if you can remember this formula, or you can also derive the formula by this method. Okay, first write x, y and 1. Below x write the coefficient of y, then constant, or you can just remember the method B C A B. So write on B1 B2, then C1 C2, then A1 A2, then write on again B1 B2, then cross multiplication. So from the left, top to bottom, then bottom to top. Okay, so B1 C2 minus B2 C1, then in y C1 A2 minus C2 A1, then in 1 A1 B2, then A2 B1. Okay, so you can remember this formula, or you can derive the formula by this method. Okay, so this is the example. Solve the linear equation. Solve the system of equation 2x minus 3y plus 8 equal to 0 and 3x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now write the given equation 2x minus 3y plus 8 equal to 0. It is already in standard form. This is equation 1, and 3x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is equation 2. Now cross multiplication. First write x, y and 1. Okay, now remove the term which contains the variable x. Okay, then write the coefficient of y in first equation. This is minus 3. Then in equation 2, only one y is there, that means 1 into y, so write 1 here. Now write the constant part 8 and 1. Now moving to y, so remove the terms which contains the variable y. This is minus 3y and y. Then write the constant part. Constant part is already written here, so write the coefficient of x, that is 2 and 3. Next, coming to 1. In 1, remove the constant part 8 and 1, so remaining are 2x and x, and remaining are the variable of x, sorry, coefficient of x, that is 2 and 3. This is already written here, so write the coefficient of y, that is minus 3 and minus 1. So then put the arrow mark, that is from left side top to bottom, then bottom to top. Okay, so x, write down x by minus 3 into 1 minus 1 into 8 equals to y by 8 into 3 minus 1 into 2. Okay, equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 3 into minus 3. Clear? Next, here minus 3 into 1 minus 3, and 1 into 8, there is a minus 8. So minus 8 minus 3 minus 8 equals minus 11, equals to y by 8 into 3 24. This is 20. 8 into 3, this is 24 minus 2, so y by 2 22. Here 2 into 1 2, then minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9, so 1 by 11. Now x will be x equal to minus 1 by 11, because x by minus 11 equal to 1 by 11. So x will be this part minus 11. If we bring minus 11 to the right side, then it will be minus 11 by minus 11 by 11 So minus 11 by 11 is minus 1. So x value is minus 1. Now coming to y is y by 22 equal to y by 22 equal to 1 by 11. So y will be 22 by 11. So 22 by 11 is 2. Okay, so y equal to 2. So these are the value of x and y. X is minus 1 and y is 2. Next example, solve the system of equation 2x minus 3y equal to 12 and x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So write the given equation in standard form. So this will be 2x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. This is equation 1, and x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now now write x, y and 1 like this. Then below x write the coefficient of y, that is minus 3 and 2. Then write the constant part minus 12 and 1. Now in y write the constant part that is already written here. So only write the coefficient of x, that is 2 and 1. Then in 1, 2 and 1 already written. So write the coefficient of y, that is minus 3 and 2. Okay, so as you can see, this is b, minus 3 and minus 2. This is the minus 3 is what? Coefficient of y, and coefficient of y is b. Okay, so the method is b, c, a and b. Now x by minus 3 into 1, then 2 into minus 12. Okay, so minus 3 into 1 minus 2 into minus 12 equals to y by minus 12 into 1 minus minus 1 into 2. Remember students, from the left side top to bottom, then put a negative sign, then bottom to top. Okay, so minus 12 into 1 minus 1 into 2 equals to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, so x by minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3, minus 2 into minus 12. Minus 2 into minus 12 is plus 24 equals to y by minus 12 into 1, that is minus 12, and minus 1 into 2, that is 2. So minus 12 minus 2 equals to 1 by 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. So plus 4 plus 3. So x by minus 3 plus 24 is 21, and equals to y by minus 12 minus 2, that is minus 14, equals to 1 by 4 plus 3, 7. Now x by 21 equal to 1 by 7. So x will be 27 by 7 is 3. So the value of x is 3. Now value of y is y by minus 14 equal to 1 by 7. So y will be y equal to minus 14 by 7. So this will be minus 2. So x equal to 3 and y equal to minus 2. Next example, solves the system of equation 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 5 and 3 by x minus 1 by y plus 9 equal to 0. So here let 1 by x equal to u and 1 by y equal to v. Now this will be 2u plus 3v minus 5 equal to 0, this is equation 1, and equation 2 will be 3u minus v plus 9 equal to 0, this is equation 2. Okay, now this is in the standard form of linear equation. Okay, next write down u, v and 1, because here instead of here the variable is y, variable is u and then v. Okay, so remove the term which contains the variable u, this is 2u and 3u. So remaining are the variable the coefficient of v in first equation is 3 and in second equation that is -1. Then constant part is -5 and 9, so write down -5 and 9 here. Then moving to v, so remove this part which contains the variable v. So remaining are -5 and 9, this is the constant part which is already written here. So write the coefficient of u, that is 2 and 3. Next constant, remove the constant part -5 and 9, then remaining are the coefficient of u is 2 and 3 which is already written here. Then write the coefficient of v, that is 3 and -1. Clear? Next put the arrow mark as I told you, from the left side top to bottom, then bottom to top. Okay, so u minus 3 into 9 minus -1 into -5 equals to v by -5 into 3 minus 9 into 2 equals to 1 by 2 into -1 minus 3 into 3. Clear? Next 3 into 9 27, u by 3 into 9 27, and -1 into -5 is +5, so 27 minus 5 equals to b by -5 into 3 is -15 minus 9 into 2 18 equals to 1 by 2 into -1 -2, and -3 into 3 is -1. So 27 minus 5 is 22, then -15 minus 18, that is -33, and -2 minus 9 is -11. So u equals to 22 by -11 equal to -2, and v will be -33 by -11, that is 3. So the value of u is 1 by x, so 1 by x equal to -2, so x will be -1 by 2, and v is 1 by y, and b equal to 3, so 1 by y equal to 3, so y will be 1 by 3. So the value of x is -1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3. So the next example, solve the system of equation 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y equal to 1. 2 by x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0, and 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y equals to 0. So here 1 by x plus y equal to 0 equal to u, and 1 by x minus y equal to v. Now you can write these two equation in the standard form of linear equation, that is 5u minus 2v equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 0, this is equation 1, and 15u plus 7v minus 10 equal to 0, this is equation 2. Now write u, v and 1 in this manner, then remove this one, the variable which contains the term which contains the variable u. So now write the coefficient of u, that is -2 and 7, then -1 by -1 and -10. Then coming to v, so remove this part, then you have 1 and 10 which is already written, then minus that 5 and 15, Okay, now coming to the constant part, 1 and 10. Remove this one, 1 and 10. So remaining are 5 and 15. This is already written. Then write minus 2 and 7. Okay, now put the error mark from the left side or top to bottom, then bottom to top. Okay, so u by minus 2 into minus 10. Okay, so minus 2 into minus 10 minus 7 into 1. So minus 2 into minus 10 minus 7 into 1. Then b will be b by 1 into 15 minus 10 into 5. So 1 into 15 minus 10 into 5. Then 1 by 5 into 7 minus 15 into minus 2. So 5 into 7 minus 15 into minus 2. So u by minus 2 into minus 10, that is 20 minus 7, and b by 1 into 15 and minus 10 into 5 minus 50, but minus of minus into minus, this that will be plus, so plus 50. Then 1 by 5 into 7, 35, and minus 15 into minus 2, that is plus 30. So u by 13, 20 minus 7 is 13, b by 15 plus 50 is 65, then 1 by 35 plus 30 is 65. Okay, so u equals to 13 by 65, that is 1 by 5, and v equal to 65 by 60 equals 1. So u is 1 by x plus y and v is 1 by x minus y. So u equal to 1 by 5, this can be written as, instead of u, now put the value of u, that is 1 by x plus y. So 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 5, and 1 by x minus y equal to 1. Now x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1. Now adding this equation, so x plus x is 2x, and minus y plus y will be cancelled. Then in right side it will be 5 plus 1, that is 6. So 2x equal to 6, then x will be 3, 6 by 2 equal to 3. Now subtracting this equation, we get, now if you subtract these two equation, that is x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1. Okay, so x minus x and minus x will be cancelled, and y plus y, because minus into minus will be plus, so 2y equal to, and 2y equal to 4, because 5 minus 1 is 4, so y equal to 4 by 2 is 2. So the value of x is 3 and value of y is 2.